Hi, in my never-ending battle to save money, I looked up social media editorial calendars using a free Google Sheets. That's right, you can have a 2023 yearly, monthly, or even a weekly planner from the free Google Sheets templates. And I've got the link for that in the show notes. If you go to theguyarcookreport.podbean.com, look up the title dated for today's date, December 21st. There you have it. And that also begs the question, is Google Sheets the future? Okay. Google Sheets now seems to be going beyond the run-of-the-mill spreadsheet functions and formulas and so forth, and taking it to a whole new level. I want you to take a look at that link too. In the Google document, it talks about how a team collaboration and communications can be achieved with Google Sheets. There you have it. There's a lot in there. I want you to take a look, okay? Oh, and this is the last episode for 2022. I'll see you next year. Well, thanks for taking time out of your busy day for this episode of the Guy Cook Report. I hope you get some sort of a pearl out of this oyster. It's a wrap.